For the first time in the airline industry, there's a comprehensive business and technological solution that enables airlines to manage direct operational charges and the respective business processes within a consolidated SAP system. The aviation industry currently faces numerous challenges. The purchase cycle for direct operating services based on operational contracts is largely manual and has no pricing parameters. Complex cost calculations for direct operating costs, such as landing, parking, and passenger fees, are often accrued inaccurately, and there is no central repository of information on flight operation-related costs. smartDOC and TripRecord solution by LegState uses SAP Backend, ECC, or S4 versions, and SAP Business Technology Platform to meet industry demands. It is built with a general approach that can be rolled out to any aviation company cost-efficiently. It's capable of consuming real-time data flow during the operational window, updating the trip as new data is provided. It enables airlines to incur direct operational costs based on the transactional data, to assign the costs to a specific flight sector and network, and to provide route profitability analysis at each level. Finally, it allows airlines to automatically verify direct operational cost, vendors' invoices based on operational data, and a unique pricing engine that performs complex calculations of incurred service cost for all the airline's flight activities around the globe. This allows you to reach crucial operational data and analytics from different travel and transportation airline services by using key connectors to industry systems, improve route profitability, and ensure invoice accuracy to drive revenue. Flight Order to Settle is a value stream in SAP Business Processes map that covers creation of flight operations-related data, its associated costs, accounting, accruals, and invoice processing. Obtaining crucial operation data and analytics from different travel and transportation airline services and support providers can be challenging, tedious, and can also take up a lot of company time and money. It starts when a trip is created in the scheduling system. The trip is logged automatically in TripRecord. TripRecord then syncs updates and information as the departure date approaches. Next, you capture the trip data. Then, confirm the flight data and update route profitability figures. After that, the invoice is verified against actual operational data. Once the invoice has been validated, you schedule payment and update route profitability figures based on actual invoice data. Advanced analytics enable you to incur direct operational costs to a specific flight in real time based on operational data while ensuring accurate route profitability reports. By introducing a single generic API for all operational systems, TripRecord dramatically simplifies the capture process. And because TripRecord runs on SAP Business Technology Platform, you have a single source of truth for applications and processes, reducing integration effort. The process starts when flight detail information is received from the airline's scheduling or ops system, followed by details from the booking system, the route plan, crew scheduling, cargo, and the fuel system. A trip record is created automatically, capturing all flight-related operations, services, and direct costs. As the trip approaches, you stay up to date, as TripRecord syncs operational data from various systems. All operational trip data is at your fingertips. Access the status, scheduling, passenger, and cargo details for every trip in one place, reducing search time to improve efficiency. Close to departure time, actual trip data triggers an alternate flow for the procure-to-pay process. Automate the purchase and service receipt of direct operational costs based on agreed operational contracts with various service providers to ensure the validity and accuracy of such costs in procurement. Leverage templates and data upload tools to accelerate ground operation data collection. Review a series of services and operations that are performed repeatedly for flights that have the same departure, arrival, or flight number. You also see your operational contracts with vendors and a pricing scheme to calculate the cost of services involved in complex calculations. Review all arrivals and departures for your flights and trips. These are defined as paired to enable quick and efficient handling of all consumed services. You also check your flight acceptance statuses based on completion of all required operations and services in the operational system, as well as the predefined business rules in the airport profile. Cost accrual takes place as soon as the flight is confirmed. Easily add additional or ad hoc services to streamline the process further, work faster, and improve route profitability. Finally, you handle invoices from service providers in multiple formats: paper-based, Excel, XML, or electronic. These invoices contain all the flight-level information you need for invoice reconciliation. When the invoice is uploaded, a workflow is triggered to inform the relevant team. From here, the reconciliation process is automated according to a wide range of parameters and compared with information calculated and confirmed in the previous steps. The result is then presented clearly to allow the invoice processor to focus on those flights or lines where the comparison is not within the airline tolerance. At the end of the invoice verification process, the invoice can be put on hold or saved, and the final approval workflow begins. By verifying the accuracy of each invoice quickly and thoroughly, you drive revenue on every trip. With smartDOC and TripRecord solution by LegState, you harness the power of TripRecord, smartDOC, and Invoice Verification Cockpit to capture real-time data, use it to incur direct operational costs, and simplify the invoice verification and reconciliation process.